guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika and welcome to my brand new video guys. So guys, if you are new to my channel and watching my video first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. So I have some of the product from this amazing brand, that is Wow Skin Science, and the products are really wow guys. So I'll tell you the detail about the products, but before we get into the product details, I want to tell you that Wow is an Indian brand, and the good thing is guys that recently I came across a lot of Indian brands, and also in my coming videos I'm also going to talk about more Indian brands. So stay tuned guys for more videos. So basically Wow is an Indian brand and they manufacture locally and they have a headquarters in Bangalore, and the good thing is that all the products are sulfate free, paraben free, and also there is no harmful chemical into this product. Okay, so the first product which I have for you guys, so this is a Wow Skin Science face wash, and it basically retails for $299 and you will get 100 ml of product. And as you can see the packaging, let me show you how the product look from the inside. So this is the face wash. So it has three major ingredients which is very useful to your skin. First is activated charcoal that helps to remove all the impurities and dirt from your face. The second one is tea tree oil, because tea tree oil contains vitamin A, vitamin B, B6 and vitamin E that gives better nutrition to your skin, and that is very useful for glowing skin. And it also contains aloe vera extract that gives intense hydration to your skin and also reduce dryness and redness from your skin. So the second product which I have for you is, so this is a face scrub, and it basically retails for 375 rupees and you will get 100 ml of product. And let me show you the product from the inside. So as you can see, so this is how the product is look like, and it also has three major ingredients, that is activated charcoal that helps to remove all the dirt and impurities from your face. The second ingredient is extra virgin oil that helps to give nourishment to your skin, and walnut shell powder helps to give glowing and supple skin. So the last but not the least, the third product which I have for you is, so this is a face mask from this range, and it retails for $499 and you will get 200 ml of product. And let me show you. So the best thing with this mask is that you will get this spatula, and it is very convenient to apply face mask by using this. And let me show you. And then I have this pack with me. So from last 2 weeks I'm using this face mask, and trust me, I'm really happy with the result because it instantly remove all the dirt from your face. It also has three major ingredients, that is activated charcoal, you already know. The second one is leucorize extract that helps to lighter skin tone, and the third is Aromonas ferment extract. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If wrong, then please do correct me in the description box below. That helps to remove all the pollution particle from your face. And this is such a great face pack guys. I highly recommend this face pack. That try it once, and you can use this face pack twice in a week and you will see the result, to be very honest. I have also shared this story on Instagram that after using this product that it instantly brightened my face. If you have tried and if you're going to try this product, then do share your reviews in the comment section below. And also if you check their website, they not only have skincare, hair care, they also have nutrition product like immunity care, digestive system, liver care. So you can check their website in detail. And also there are some amazing offers going on, like 15% off on all orders, and for prepaid orders you can buy 3 products and pay only for 2. So you can check their website in detail and buy some amazing products. And also I really hope that you like this video guys, and if you like this video then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.